median new home price of $440,000 means that $9,000 are imported materials. Assuming a 30% tariff, that means the new home price rises by at most $3,000. So that's an interesting one. Bonds were slightly weaker overnight and did just a bit more selling after the jobless claims data, but the losses were erased by early afternoon. Even then, they were never that big in the first place. The muted volatility fit nicely in a week where the tone has been decidedly calm and the range has been reliably narrow. It's also a perfect setup for the report that always reserves the right to rock the boat, Friday's job report. Expectations are for a fairly middle-of-the-road 200,000 print for non-farm payrolls and a slight uptick in the unemployment rate. UMBS closed the day up 1 basis point, coincidentally at 100.01. That's kind of wild. So when we look at the chart, that 100.01 means that we closed the day just above that 50-day moving average. So it'd be nice to stay above that. Hopefully get a jobs miss tomorrow and be able to make a run up those charts. In mortgage business news, Housing Wire reported today that Rocket Mortgage has sued HUD, and I say bravo, saying that Rocket Mortgage is not accountable for the appraiser's action. This stems back to a lawsuit filed way earlier in the year that Rocket was abusing the Fair Housing Act and placing lenders in conflict and that Rocket was in violation of the Fair Housing Act earlier this year when its appraisers were when its AMC was allegedly giving different values for black households versus white households, and Rocket is suing, saying, hey, these are outside companies. This isn't our fault. You can't fine us or punish us for that. So I applaud them for standing up for themselves.